Stealthplate is very easy to install. Remove your number plate from the car in the first instance, wash with soapy water, then wipe with kitchen roll soaked in white spirit and allow to dry thoroughly. You'll need a flat, stable surface like a kitchen table and a rolling pin. To cut mounting holes, you'll also need a sharp craft knife or a hollow hole punch of appropriate diameter. First, remove the release foam from the back of the Stealthplate. Then, carefully position the adhesive side over the top of your number plate. Take care to ensure that the edges are aligned. Be very careful at this stage because the adhesive is extremely strong and once in position it is very difficult to remove. Once aligned, take the rolling pin and roll over the plate using as much pressure as possible in order to remove any air bubbles that may be trapped. Press the edges firmly to ensure the two are stuck together completely, and perhaps use the end of the rolling pin to remove the last of any air bubbles. Once the air bubbles have been removed, the next thing to do is to cut any mounting holes that might be needed. This can be achieved in two ways. The easiest is to use a very sharp craft knife. The material cuts easily, but be wary that a slip here may result in a cut finger or worse, blood on the kitchen table. For the neatest result, however, use a hollow hole punch of the correct diameter. Don't punch the hole directly on the kitchen table, but place a wooden block underneath the plate. Once any holes have been punched or cut, the plate can then be refitted to your car.